Hi, this is Caroline with You Are Created Beautifully. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you are notified every time a video goes up. Here, I'm so excited to share this. This is a Tongan inspired Money Lei. Here are the supplies you'll need. Ribbon, a very small width one, a highlighter, a light colored one. I am giving you here a close-up of the acrylic beads that we're using for this lei. They are found at Michael's, and you're going to need a pretty good size bag. Some scissors, a hot glue gun, a stencil of the shape that you want to use. I'm using $5 bills for this lei and felt paper. Now if you got a ruler, please go ahead and grab it. Do not follow me on this step because I couldn't find mine and I'm using a note card. So we're just lining the width and the height of the triangles that I want to use for this lei. Just grab your scissors and cut that out. And now this is the stencil of the shape that I want to use, and it's just old cardstock that I found in the house. And this is why you want to use a light colored highlighter or even a red one, is because you don't want to take away from this lei. You don't want any black or dark line to show. We just want it to be a solid red. Red is really an important color in our culture. Our flag is red, it has a white cross on it, and so that is why I chose to use it for this Tongan inspired Money Lei. Now you just want to cut all of those triangles out, as you see I am doing here. And using a stencil just helps you with making the triangles all about the same size. Now you want to use felt paper here. Don't just try to use any kind of paper. You want this because it's durable. It's going to hold the weight of these beads. They're all cut out here. Perfect. All right, moving on to the next step. Grab your hot glue gun and we're going to start gluing those beads on. Now you want to do these in layers because you want them really close and flush right up against each other. And you do want to glue the beads overlapping the edges of the felt because you do not want that part to show. You just want all the beads to be visible. I'm so happy with how this lei turned out, and I hope that some of you guys out there will try to duplicate this inspired Tongan Money Lei. Now this is the same material actually that we would use for some of our taulunga outfits. People will use this type of necklace by itself, a much shorter version of course. So that is why I decided to do it this way. But adding the money just adds value to this. Hello! Okay, there's one done. Look how pretty that is. All sparkly. Yeah, you just want to kind of pull all the little strands of glue and make it nice and perfect. We're going to do it again for you special people that want to see me do it. Again, you want to do it in layers. Start from the tip and overlap the bead on the felt paper. Gluing it all very close to each other. Yes, you do have to do these for each triangle. This is the tedious part of the lei. But after this, it's a breeze. I guarantee it. All done. 2. Alright, we're moving on to the next step. You're going to grab your ribbon and you're going to place each of those beaded triangles on the ribbon, and we're going to attach it using the glue gun again. Now I'm sorry I'm out of frame here, but I think you get the gist of what I'm doing. You're going to put the triangles on the ribbon with the hot glue gun and you're going to put them touching each other, just like I have here. Finally, a clear picture of what it's supposed to look like. Pretty awesome. All right, so we are moving on to the next step, which is adding our bills to the lei. I'm using $5 bills here, and as you can see, I'm using just your regular Scotch tape to attach the money together. Now I'm doing that first of all because I want to make sure that the width are even between the bills. Oh, hold on, let me make this note. As you're attaching the bills with the hot glue gun, on either end, you do want to use a lot more glue. But then as you're attaching each bill, and you do want to add a little bit of glue on each bill, just a small dot. Now the tape is to ensure that you don't damage the bills and make sure that each bill is evenly distributed with the lei, and it also supports the weight of the lei. You want the lei to be able to last the entire part of the graduation until the graduate receives it and takes their money off. Just that small dot is sufficient. And you do want to make sure that the bills are all facing the same direction. You see I made a mistake. Look at the right side. Look at the right side. Sorry. But Lincoln's face is all on the front. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up if you like this video. I really enjoyed making this for you, and I hope that somebody will try it out. This was for my niece's graduation, as you can see here. Now don't stop watching this video just yet. There is a bonus part. Here it goes! Ha'a Hula, my daughter's halal, is open for open enrollment just this month in June. And I just want to tell you that I just had such a touching moment when she joined this halal, and I could see her for the first time hearing the sound of the drums. The spirit of Polynesia just came alive for her. So if you are interested at all, it's a multi-generational, multicultural halal. Check them out. All the info is below.